Good morning everyone. So you saw it in the title. In this video, what we're going to talk about is the best affiliate offers to make big money. Because there's so many people that try to do affiliate marketing without having too much, without making any money, even though they make a ton of sales. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make money, how you can market those affiliate sales, and all that good stuff that you absolutely need to know about to make some real big money with that. So, before we do get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, a comment, and more than anything else, make sure that you subscribe because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you do any of these or all of these, then it will help me get to 1,000 subscribers and I would be very happy about that. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make big money with these affiliate marketing offers, and I'm even going to give you some examples, but also what to look out for when you're doing that. But first, how do you get people to get to those affiliate offers? Because there's a lot of people making a big mistake with that, and I don't want you to be doing the same mistake. And if you have been doing this mistake, then you can fix it and do it another way. So how do you get people with affiliate offers? Now there's a ton of ways to do that, and there's a ton of good ways and a ton of bad ways. So the best way, in my opinion, is to build something where you have an audience. I was going to say successful. Obviously, at the beginning, it's not going to be successful, but the more you move on with that, the better you will be at that, and the more successful you will be doing that. So, where do you build your audience? Well, the first one, you guessed it, is going to be YouTube. I made a whole video about all that stuff, so I'm going to go quite quick, but briefly what I want to say with YouTube and with any other platform, as a matter of fact, if you're trying to build an audience, is to do that to help people. Don't do that to make money, because obviously you want to make money. Let's not lie about it. I want to make money, you want to make money, everybody wants to make money. If you're not there to make money, then what's the point? But you don't want to focus on making money, and also you want to like what you're doing, because if you're just focused on making money and doing that for the money, then you're probably not going to make money you're not going to make money first off, and for the long run you're just going to give up, because that's all you can do. You can just give up. So there you go. But focus on helping people. That's the point of that I want to make. So help people. If you know something better than other people, just help them out. And my last video was all about that, so as I said, I'm not going to go through that too much. The next thing that you can do is build an audience with a blog, because a blog is very good. Google is the biggest search engine in the world, and if you happen to rank your blog after a while, which could happen, then, I mean, when I say could happen, it will happen if you do this properly and you learn about blogging and you learn how to rank your blog posts and stuff like that. I personally don't have a blog, but it's a great way to do that. So, now that we've got that out of the way, the other way you can do this is with ads. Now, you will have to have an email list. And I suggest having an email list even if you have a YouTube channel and stuff like that. I'm not going to go to an email list right now, but you can do that if you're doing that on Facebook, because Facebook will not allow any sort of affiliate marketing. So what you can do is link people to your email list, tell them that you have an offer for them or something like that, and then you can send them an email with that offer. So with that being said, the next thing that you want to do is now that you have a niche, you have your audience, or you don't have an audience, you can do this, right from the start. So if you have 0 subscribers and you start a YouTube channel, no big deal, still do that, because the more you will grow, the more people will watch your first videos and maybe click on the link of your first videos rather than your new ones, and they will click on the new ones as well. But you get the idea. The more affiliate offers you have, or the more links you have to one affiliate to offer, is something. So there we go. That's the first point. The first point is that you want to focus on one affiliate marketing offer. Don't put out all the affiliate offers that you can. It doesn't work like that. The second thing that I want to talk about is how to pick the right offer, because that's the point of this video, really, is to get the right offers, because there's so many people that make some sales and things like that. They make 10,000 sales and they still don't get $500 a month, and that's because they don't choose the right offer. Now, if you're someone like Casey Neistat and you have millions and millions of followers, you put your affiliate links of what you're using, what camera you're using, and it works great. So that's, if you have millions of followers, then you can make a good living like he does. But that's also the worst strategy in the world, because one, Amazon was always not very good at, for making sales, because for making money, you can make sales, but you can't make very much money, because it's what you're going to get paid is extremely low, and now they've almost divided that by 2, so it's even worse now. So what you want to focus on when you're trying to find some affiliate products is to have something that's either high commissions, $1,000 plus or $500 plus at least, or something that's recurring. So I'll give you some examples. So the first one is the one that I'm using. It's Builderall. So that pays you every single month. So you make a sale to whoever it may be that's clicked on your link, that wants to use that that wants to have an email list and things like that, and wants to send out emails, broadcast emails, whatever it may be, which is something that I personally use all the time. And you should use some sort of autoresponder. So that's the one I use, because one, it's cheap, and it works really well. It's amazing, really. So that's why I use it. But also I promote it. So if I promote it now and I make a sale today, and that person that I made a sale to is staying there for 10 years, then I'm going to get paid every single month for 10 years. If he stays there a week, then I'm only going to get paid a week, which is still pretty good. So that's something that's recurring, that's really, really good. If you want to have something that's sort of stable, then maybe you want to go for something like that. Now, something that's high commission could be something like a course. Say you're not making a course, but you followed a course that's really good. And chances are the people that made a course are only going to make the sale once to one person. It's not going to be something monthly. So the customer is only going to pay once for that course. So you're as an affiliate, you're also going to get paid only once. But if that course is $1,000 and you're getting paid $500, or maybe they have something that's entry price for $5, but then they have a high end that's going to be $1,000, which is not uncommon, then you will get paid for that $1,000 as well. You want to make sure that that's what you're doing. So I don't have an example right now off the top of my mind, but a course would be typically something like that. So if you if you sell something that's expensive, then there's a good chance that that is a good way to go about it. So one, recurring is amazing. I do it, that works really well. And two, if you're doing something that's high commission, if you're getting high commission, if you're selling something that's high commission, then that's something that you really want to look into. So if you want something that's recurring and you're talking about email lists and stuff like that, you know, I have a link. You can join my team. Obviously, it's going to be an affiliate link, so you're going to end up on, you know, my email list and stuff like that. But that's a great way to go about it, because then you can look at what I'm doing and do maybe something that's quite similar and get inspired by that. Because if you don't, then it's, you know, it's not going to work very well. So that's just something quick. You know, if you want something recurring, that's the best product that I found. That's one, a great product, which is something that you want to look into. Two is recurring commission. It's not high commission, but it's recurring. So, you know, you want to choose one of the two. And, you know, it's amazing. So that's why I use it. But you don't have to, you know, that's just an example of what you want to look into, is to have something like that. So all you have to do to find a good one, a good, you know, a good product to promote, is just type in something that you want to promote, you know, whatever it may be. Maybe it's, you know, I don't know, like a fitness course. So type in fitness course affiliate, and you will end up on some offers. Now, obviously, you want to ideally, you know, download that, you know, that course, use it, and then find out if it's a good course, and then sell it. Because if you sell something that's crap, then you're going to hurt your brand. That's why it's extremely important to sell something that you really want. So there you go. That was my video for today. You know, how to get a great affiliate marketing product. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, because again, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you do that. Also, make sure that you give me a like, give me a comment, you know, whatever it may be, what you want to see next. If you enjoyed this video, I don't care. I like to communicate with you, and I try to answer to everyone. You know, sometimes there's a bug and I can't get your comments. You know, I don't know if they get deleted or anything like that, but if I can, I respond to every comment, because I have seen some comments that, you know, disappear and I can't get back to you, and I don't know why. But anyway, I try to answer to everyone, so make sure you do that, and I'll get to you next week with the next video. So I'll see you then. Bye.